Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate WebinarJam to ClickFunnels. All right. As you can see here, when we look for WebinarJam, it is not available. All right. But before, you can just easily find WebinarJam under the ClickFunnels integrations, but now it isn't available. All right. So is there a workaround, you might ask? Well, the answer is yes. All right. You can go ahead and use third-party integration platforms like Make.com, N8N, Pipedream, or even Zapier. Now for this example, we're going to be using Zapier. So just go ahead and open up a new tab in your browser and type in zapier.com. Once done, just hit on enter. And it will ask you to sign up. Just go ahead and sign up. It is pretty easy to make an account. All right. Once done, once you're here on your dashboard, go to the top left and click on create. Now click on Zaps. All right. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, it's up to you if you want your trigger to be a ClickFunnels or WebinarJam. All right. For example, under a trigger, we would select ClickFunnels like so. And here we have two options, ClickFunnels 2.0 or ClickFunnels Classic. So I'm using ClickFunnels new version. So I'm just going to use this one. And then make sure to sign in with your account right here. Then go ahead and go to trigger event. Select the trigger, for example, contact submitted form, and then just hit on continue. Select the funnel, maybe this funnel. And the page or the step, maybe opt-in, hit on continue and test the trigger. All right. Once that's done, just hit on continue, tap away, and go ahead and select an action. All right. So what happens is that if there are contact submitted form right here under ClickFunnels, the action will be executed automatically. All right. So click on action. Now go ahead and select WebinarJam like so. Click on it. And once done, go ahead and click on action event. Again, if there are any contact submitted form under ClickFunnels, you can go ahead and choose maybe registered person to a specific webinar. Okay. Once this trigger event happens, Zapier will automatically register a person to a specific event or webinar. Okay. So just make sure to sign in with your WebinarJam account. And once done, all you have to do is just hit on publish to make it go online. All right. Once it's online, you can now go ahead and close Zapier and just wait for this trigger event happens. All right. And once done, every time this trigger event happens, WebinarJam right here will always register a person to a specific webinar. That's basically how you do it. Now, if your integration right here, if you log into your WebinarJam account and it looks for an API key, well, don't worry. You can go ahead and tap on your profile at the top right under WebinarJam. Okay. Now go ahead and click on API. Now, once that's done, all you have to do is just complete the form. Just type down your URL or the URL of your app, describe the app, and answer how does your app generate leads, and add in some notes. All right. Once done, hit on apply and wait for their customer support's reply. It could be via email or within the website itself, including the instructions on how to get or where to get your API key. But I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.